If you want to use Sidebar on Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, first of all, we can go to Settings. In the settings, we can scroll down a little bit to go to Gestures, and then in the Gestures, we can go to Sidebar. Of course, first of all, we need to enable our Sidebar. It is located over here by default on the left side, on the right side of the phone, and we can swipe it towards the middle in order to open it. You can also drag it like this and move it to the left or right side like this in order to drop it anywhere we wish it to be. Let's actually press and hold. Let's go back to the home screen. We can press and hold in order to, I believe, actually no, we have to move it to the middle in order to open the sidebar, and then over here we have this thin little dark line, so we can grab it by this line in order to change the position. So this is actually how we can move the sidebar. Okay, so after that, of course, we have some apps over here. We can tap on this setting icon in the bottom right corner of the sidebar in order to go to the settings of the sidebar and choose which apps should be visible over here. So we can remove whatever is added so far, and you can choose apps that should be always there for you to quickly access. So let's say something like this. So now after that, if you go back, let's reveal the sidebar, and there we go. Over here we have our apps. At the top, as you can see, we have some suggested apps as well. We can tap over here on this these dots that we have on the opposite side of the settings in order to open the list of all apps. So this is also a quick way to get access to the app drawer per se. And of course, besides that, you also have tools, so you can add one of these things like the screen recorder, for example, over here, or the contacts. So if you grant permission for the sidebar to see contacts, then you can also add a quick access to contact. Besides that, let's tap on this setting, and over here we have some more options. So you can check them out in order to configure some of these settings for the sidebar. And that's about it. This is how we can use Sidebar on Motorola Edge 60 Fusion. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!